a star. Living fast like the big dreams. On the cover of a magazine. The Empire. Cause everybody wants to be a star. A star. A star. Taking pictures everywhere you go. They put your name all around. Empire mixtapes. When I grow up, I wanna be chill like Mike. To my cousin Ike.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy Cheese back again, you know what I'm saying? You know, I said I was going to do Kill Yourself first video, but you know, we ain't ready for that yet. But I promised my fans a video today, so go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, give y'all a little something, catch up on, you know what I'm saying? You know, every time I start my video, I like to make fun of one person. First person making fun of Kevin Hart. I love Kevin Hart, man. I watch all his stand-ups. If you ever get to watch this, man, I respect your game. But that nigga there little as fuck. By did big. Y'all see? By did big. He real little. He real little. Let me tell you how little he is. He's so little. Every time he go out in public, his security guard put the little leash. You know the little leash they put on the white kids that be running around in the mall? He got one of them. It's crazy. I'm laughing right now. But anyways, that's just for that, man. You know what I'm saying? Every time I do shows, I like to talk about stuff that catch my attention, man. One thing that been killing me, man, is females with these spandex. Spandex. Matter of fact, no. Not spandex, leggings. Come on, man. I know some females with 7 pair of leggings. They wear them bitches every day. I feel like testifying. I'm going to go ahead and testify for y'all, man. No more leggings or spandex, whatever you call them. I seen a big girl the other day. This killed me. She had on leggings. Booty this wide. She had 3 types of booty. She had the high booty. Y'all know the high booty. Fellas, y'all know the high booty. One that just sit up. She had the badao. That just was just everything. And then she had everything. And that ain't the worst part. It was all in the front. I was like, damn. So while I was watching her walk, I said, man, if her booty in the front, her pussy got to be in the back. That's how wide she was, man, with them leggings. She killed me, man. Hey, man, I know everybody going to say you make fun of big girls too much, but it's all love, man. I got a lot of big girls in my family. Got some big cousins, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing wrong with big girls. Big up to all the big girls who stay looking fly, stay looking juicy. Second thing I want to testify today, you know what I'm saying? I like to testify, like to let everybody know what's going on in the world. And one thing that's killing me right now, man, is this swaggerific shit. Everybody got swag, everybody got haters. How you got haters, bro? You work at Burger King, man, flipping burger. Who hating on you, the bun? Come on, man, you ain't got no haters. Nigga on Facebook, oh, he hating on me. Oh, he hating on me. He ugly, girl. You bald head, ain't nobody hating on you. Listen, man, y'all need to calm down all that hate stuff, man. Live good. Talking about you got haters. Kill me, man. Dude work at Office Depot, dude work at Walmart. You making a white man money $8 an hour, but you got haters. Last but not least, man, we got to make fun of one more person before we leave. Like to make fun of my cousin, Fat Ass Fennell. Tell you how big this nigga is. This nigga so big, he got 4 chins. All sit on top of each other. We call that bitch the quadruple pack. Nothing but ham and sausages out there. His fat chin ass. Oh, wide nose ass. Bitch look like a super dark dolphin. Just living. Nigga got no breathe in his sleep. He just, you ever see that nigga sleep? That nigga like a rhinoceros. Big ass rhinoceros. And you know he only 5'7". That would kill me, man. That's it for today, man. Like I said, man, we're going to have Kill Yourself coming up soon. Kill Yourself going to be real live. That's going to be one of my best things, you know what I'm saying? If y'all want to know what that is, that's that Rocco. Everybody want to be a star. I'm going to go ahead and play for y'all before we leave.
Came through on that Kawasaki bike. He told me pay cash. I was like, how? He said, how? I was like, wow. Show me how right now. Fast forward it to now. I got street fame, I got power. Dollar by the hour. Remember that stop.